Where the hell are we, Alex?
Castle track.
Okay.
Welcome back.
There you go. Been missing out on that. Cool. Time to get Drew out here on the big wheel. See how it goes.
No rush today, just trying to have fun.
Nope. Today's a calm day. Nice calm Saturday. Just hanging out at Castle Land. Got the new camera. Pretty excited about it.
I might not even choke it.
Nope, I don't think you're gonna because we sent it earlier around the parking lot. Oh yeah. Alright guys, welcome to the channel. Saying about the ground being moist. We got a little pond back here. I don't know if I can see it right there. Yep. So if we wanted to, we could pump the water and I guess water all the jumps. So could we used to do that?
You see those fucking animal tracks?
Oh yeah, there's all kinds. I'm gonna flip the camera around. It looks like Jurassic Park out here. A couple monsoons later, this is kind of rough, but our jump's still here. Step up. We got our decently sized double over here that we built, and there's a little track back there that we made. So go check out what Drew's doing. How's the ground out there? Is it rough?
It's rough.
Yeah.
Big wheel's tougher though.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's actually a lot of guys ask what these are good for, and you're looking at it, rough terrain, rocks and ruts and kinds of fun stuff, mud. You gonna send this thing?
I want to go for it, see what happens.
All right, cool.
Yeah.
We'll start up here and work our way back over there.
This is one, so
yeah.
We're gonna see how she does, I guess. Come in hot.
Okay.
See what happens.
The old track groomer, Big Wheel 1000. He's gonna go get a drink of water. It's warm. You guys can see, like, I mean, this shit is like, it's crust and hard and thick, and amazing what the tires do to it. So you can see about how big of a line it makes. Again, the back tire is a 10-inch wide, but being it's rounded, the width of that ends up being, I'd say, about 7 to 8 inches of contact. Time for some single track. I like that. Dude, I see one thing right here. You know what it is?
What do you see?
Big wheel tracks. Big wheel tracks. There's the big wheel. I found them.
There's a good corner right there for the train tracks.
Okay, I'll head over there. Yeah.
Hi.
Hi, what's up? Dude, I think we're ready to go eat.
I think it's food time.
But overall, successful day. Went to the shop, worked on this thing this morning. Really didn't rush. We haven't rushed at all today, and just out here having fun. Nothing too crazy. So, Alex, it's food time.
It's food time. We'll be back.
We're gonna go find some hot dogs. Do a review.
No, but I heard something about culinary dropout. I've never been there before.
Okay, well, we're going.
Let's go try it out.
All right, see you guys later. Thanks for watching.
Welcome back.
Come on, get it in the hole. Almost.
Guiding my way.
Yep, she got it. She always does.
I had a hold of water in my hand. That was weird.
What happened? Feel better?
I feel better now.
You all fucking cornholed out of it?
The cornhole got me all worked up, bud.
Yeah, it did. So we're gonna start making the welcome back shirts for this guy, and anything we make off of it, it's going to him in like a jar. We're just gonna take the cash, put it in a jar, or possibly a bank account, and we're gonna buy a quad for him with whatever the proceeds are. So yeah, kind of excited about that. So stay tuned to our website.